but I think other than that, you're okay.
Okay. I'll try to be as slow as possible so it doesn't glitch.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess we're supposed to start with a prayer. I'll say that if you want. Okay.
The video is actually off right now.
Our dear Heavenly Father, we're grateful for the opportunity to meet together as a math group, and please help us to be able to study and to go over concepts that we aren't too familiar with, and please help us to be able to have the spirit of understanding with us. May we say these things in thy Son, Jesus Christ. Amen. Okay.
Over here that says what we're supposed to go over on the first video.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
It says that we need to introduce ourselves, where we're from, and academic pursuits, that kind of thing.
Sweet.
All right. You want to go first?
Hold on. I just don't know how slow my videos go in your side.
It glitches out a little bit, but I can kind of tell what you're saying, so it's okay.
Okay, that's good, because you're a little delayed. Do we know who our team leader? You can be there.
Okay. I'll make sure to submit everything.
Okay, because I can submit it too, but I just don't know doing things right now since the other two aren't here. But yeah, let's see. I think I mentioned I'm from Vancouver, Canada, but I'm originally from Philippines. And let's see. I want to graduate. I'm a human biology major, and I want to graduate and go to grad school. And I think you mentioned in your video you're in the same kind of area.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay. So I'm Maddie. I'm from Mesa, Arizona, and that's where I live. And I'm majoring in public health. I want to go to med school too, so that's fun. Okay. And what else do we need to? So for group leaders, do we just want to like rotate? Like I'll be group leader this week, and you can do it next time. And
yeah, we could. Oh, here's Matt.
Hi, Matt.
Hello.
Are we pretty clear? I don't know. Yeah.
Let's see. I think Kyle is breaking up a little bit on my end, at least.
Yeah, he's been glitching out.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I was worried about. I'm going to try to type, and hopefully that's clear.
Okay.
Breaks out. I have really bad internet.
Was the other person joining us?
I don't know. We've started, but yet. I haven't actually heard back from Alicia at all. So, and neither has Kyle. So I don't think. I don't know.
So probably not right now.
Probably.
Recording this?
Yeah, I am. So.
Okay.
It's live.
Okay.
We were just introduced. Introduced. I don't know if you can hear me.
Oh, we are already introduced ourselves, and so it's your turn. Matt.
Oh, okay. What do you want to know?
We're supposed to do our name, where we're from, and academic pursuits.
So I'm Matt, obviously. From Littleton, Colorado, which is basically like a suburb of Denver. An academic pursuit right now is just finishing my bachelor's in photography, and then I'm going to go on to get a master's of architecture afterwards. So
Cool.
That's sweet.
should be good. At least I'll have a job.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So do we want to get started on I guess we're supposed to do a few problems together, is what the instructions
Right.
say.
Mhm.
Do we want to try those?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I doubt I'll be much help. I haven't really gone over this stuff yet.
I've gone over it a little bit. So hopefully maybe we can just do it together and we won't die too much.
I can help, but I can't. If I'm be kind of hard for me to help.
I think that for the math part, maybe so that we can all follow, we should do the chat mostly. That might help more, just so that we can all see it and that Kyle can participate as well.
Right.
Okay, so
I'm just a
here,
little bit familiar with the stuff, so.
hold on. I'm gonna find the worksheet that we're supposed to do. Okay,
It's only like 3 problems.
3
On that,
long.
yeah. There's
Okay,
for like the group video.
Yeah.
let's see if that. Nope, that didn't do it.
Mm.
Sorry, I tried to copy paste. That didn't really work well. All right. So I guess we'll just do it on our own end and then go through it
Mhm.
together step by step. Okay. So okay. So this, I think this part was from the first part of the preparation, the first question.
Mhm.
I don't know.
Pretty much input that stuff, don't we?
So we have 5 different operations to do. Okay, so that's
For the first one, yeah.
For question 1, yeah.
And so with the first one, we've got the 3x plus 2 plus 4 minus x squared.
mhm.
Mhm. Pretty much put together like terms.
Yeah.
Right. So that would be the negative x squared plus 3x plus 6.
Yes. Yes.
6, yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
Sweet.
Okay.
Sweet.
So next one is the square root of x minus 4 minus 3x plus 2.
Let's see.
Can we square it all to get rid of the square root?
because I'm kind of getting confused with that right now.
Right.
Hmm. Trying to remember.
Let's see.
Because I know you can't.
Did we lose him?
I think so.
I think he froze. Yeah, I'm totally confused on this one.
I think that if we square it, we can get rid of the square root sign, but we have to, multiply out that second, what is it, f of x.
So then would you like square the g of x and then square the f of x?
Yeah.
So that you'd have x minus 4 and then the plus 2 squared, which should be 9x squared plus 6x x plus 4. So that'd be 9x squared plus 12x and let's see, so x minus 4, and that's minus.
We got to make sure we get the minus sign.
Yeah. So then if you distributed the negative, basically almost everything becomes negative, right?
Yeah.
Because you'd have minus 9x squared minus 12x minus 4.
Mm-hmm.
So then you'd have a negative 9x squared minus 11x.
Yep.
And then
Hey guys,
minus
still at
8.
number 2.
Yeah, we're still on the second
Okay,
part of
Oh, hey,
question
he's
one.
back.
it cut off.
So for that number 2, did you get negative 9x squared minus 11x minus 8?
Yes.
So did you guys square both sides?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we have a key too. Hold on.
Oh yeah,
I'll check the key.
so we can see if we're actually doing it right.
Okay, so on question 1, the first part, we got, we got the right answer there.
Sweet.
I guess we can't square it. Okay.
What did it have us do then?
It just
the answer is
left
just the
it.
same. It's the same, yeah. Well, that's what I was wondering. The negative 4, you can't really square that.
Yeah.
Because then that would be an imaginary number, wouldn't it?
Oh, you're right. Yeah.
I don't want to look at the key because then I.
Okay, well, you're the smart one. Okay, so, yeah, you can't, it's just all the terms lined up, which is,
That's it.
yeah,
There's no simplifying.
yeah. So I guess that the next one would have that same issue too with all the terms lined up, the g of x over h of x.
Yeah.
Because it's just going to be the square root of x minus 4 over 4 minus x squared.
Hmm.
Because I
Yeah.
guess we can't do anything to that square root. So
So the second one and the third one are going to be the same.
yeah.
And then for the fourth one, we've got the composition.
Yeah.
So those, yeah. Where do we find composition?
That will be, that's still in lesson 1, I think, right?
Mhm.
Is it in section 1 of chapter 2?
Section, oh, it's closed down a bit. I know it's in the or later section.
Yeah.
I just remember you gotta solve for the inside first. So gx, you just put that inside.
Well, that one would be easy then because we still can't do anything with that square root sign. Right? Yeah. So just be
I think
3 square root x minus 4 plus 2.
that's what I have right now.
Yeah.
Apply that in, and it'll be like the 3 square root of x minus 4, and then a plus 2.
Yeah. Here, I'll check the key. Yeah, that's right on the key too. So
we got that. Okay, sweet.
okay.
Doing it.
And that was, just one more time for me because I'm slow, 3 square root of
Yeah.
x minus 4 plus 2.
Yeah.
So you just plug in the gx into the fx formula thing. I don't even know what to term it. It's messed up.
A little
Just
function.
plug in the number. Not a big fan of math.
Me neither.
No.
H.
Um.
Oh, and then this one.
So for the next one, would you just plug that whole function that we just got?
Yeah. So what you do is you put fx into g,
Oh,
and then
boy.
whatever the answer of that, you plug into f, or whoops, you plug into h.
Oh boy.
Yeah, this
Okay.
one's the bigger one. Let's see.
So you'd have the square root of 3x plus 2
Yeah.
minus 4.
Yeah. So you bracket those, and then you minus 4. There's square root, or are all square rooted. Then you plug that in the h. Big number. And it's 4 minus the square root, or square. I guess that would cancel out the square root.
Would it?
Because then it'd be
Well, you've got
have 4 minus the square root, and then there's the square outside.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm gonna see 4 minus plus
4 minus 3x minus 2.
4. Hold on a second. Take away 4.
Let's find that key.
That's right. Unless you're supposed to like do the whole thing. I have negative 3x minus 2 right now. Oh, okay. I did the addition wrong.
Would it be?
Right. We're on the right track though. Yeah.
Yeah. Wouldn't it be negative 3x plus?
Plus 2.
It's actually plus 6. I don't know why I did that wrong. So I guess I did something wrong. Oh, because you can square root 4 maybe. I don't know.
Hold on just a second.
I'm confused.
Oh, because once they get to the 4 minus the 3x minus 2, then you distribute the negative into there to make
Yeah.
4 minus 3x plus 2, and then you add the 4 to the 2. So it'd be the negative 3x plus 6.
Yeah. Okay.
Say that again, sorry.
Distribute the negative into the 3x squared minus 2. So then it becomes a
it'll be
negative 3x squared plus 2.
Plus 2.
And then you add the
Got it.
4.
Got it. Okay.
Okay.
That's
Cool.
the part I skipped. That makes sense. Okay, yeah.
All right. So that's done with that one. Then the next one, the difference quotient. Oh, lovely. Difference quotient was not my favorite today.
And unfortunately, something I haven't gone over yet either.
Well, you just you put,
I have notes on it.
yeah, it's kind of weird to explain actually. But you just do x plus 6 wherever the f of 6 and then over h.
We're in number 2, right?
Yeah.
What I remember is the you put x plus h into the x of f(x). So it'll be x plus h squared. And then you input the answer. It'll become fxh plus minus that answer divided by h. I'm gonna try to do it right now.
Yeah, I'll try.
It's kind of hard to explain.
Yeah.
It was a little
Okay,
hard.
so-
a little hard for you. I'm getting an echo.
Okay, maybe, hold on. So what you're gonna do for the first part of the problem is, you know how it says to do it has a formula for the difference quotient? So you're gonna take x plus h and put it in the function instead of x. So it's gonna look like h.
This is what I'm getting. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what I look for first.
So then you're gonna do the x squared. So for that function,
Sorry.
here you go.
Oh, go ahead. You first.
Okay, well, for that function, I got x squared plus 2 hx plus h squared minus 3.
And then you minus x squared minus 3 over h.
Yeah. So minus squared. We gotta make sure we distribute there. That's unfortunate.
Yeah, that's what I always do.
Okay. So that cancels. So I got 2hx plus h squared over h so far for the next step. Okay. Then
So then I have 2h plus x. Right?
Wait.
Right. No. Did I do that wrong?
2x plus h.
Hold on, I think I did that wrong. Oh no, that's right.
Matt, are you following along?
Nope. I am totally
Wanna
lost.
show-
Okay.
Well, partly I haven't gone over what different quotient is, and I'm not even finding it in the text, and so I'm having a little trouble.
I actually Googled that one because I didn't get it.
Oh yeah.
That textbook,
I-
that e-text doesn't really.
It says that it's like a different way to define slope, like the distance between two different points. And so there's that formula, and you input the x plus h in place of x. So whatever you do to x, you do to x plus h. So here, I'll see if I can type it up the next, like step by step of what I got into the
Well, I
box,
think
so you can hopefully.
right now I'm just confused as to where you're plugging things in and which things you're plugging in for what. So, not much help. But
Let's see. Is there a way to draw on this?
Oh, peeps. I'm sorry. I have sisters.
that's why I use the headphone, because I got the little mic open, so then you can't
I'll have to figure that out for next time. Sorry.
It works.
Put it on there.
Oh, you already wrote it on there.
So would you plug in x squared minus 3 and then plus h for that first f plus 8? Is that what
The
you're
other way
The
around.
other way around.
X plus h
X
into
plus
the
h
x
into
squared.
x squared. Does that make sense?
Okay, and then what would you do with the rest of that minus the f of x over h?
So whatever you get with x plus h squared minus 3, you minus fx. Does that
Okay,
make
so would
sense?
you
So
plug
when
in,
you say
I think I'm still on.
I'm still on.
Would you plug in
Would you plug in
the f of x?
F of x will just be f of x.
x.
So that will be
So that will be
x squared
x
minus 3
squared
on the
minus 3 on
end.
the end.
Yeah. And then you just combine those. You combine what you get there.
So it's like the two parts
So it's like
for
the two
f
parts for f
h.
x
You
plus
plug in
h.
that
You plug in
what
that
you get
what you get
by
by
plugging in x plus
h
h squared minus
into the
3
x squared minus 3. And
Away
we take away
x squared
x
minus 3.
squared minus 3.
So in a
So
whole,
in a whole,
it should look
should
like
look like
trying to write.
So x
So
squared
x squared
plus
plus
2x
h
plus h
plus
squared
h squared
minus x
minus
squared
x
minus 3.
minus 3.
That sounded
Well,
right.
That sounded right.
Yeah. Make sure you distribute the subtraction over
It
there.
should look
It
like
should look like
Oh, so
Oh,
it would have to be minus x squared plus 3.
plus 3.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then That would leave you with 2xh plus h squared plus 3 over h.
I think, yeah.
X
2hx
plus 2hx
plus h
plus
squared.
h
Yeah.
squared. Yeah.
And then where would you go from there?
It's all over
It's
h,
all
so
over
then you
h,
just
so then you just
join the like
join the
terms
like
on the
terms
top.
on the top.
So pretty
So
much
the
the x squared get canceled out,
out,
the 3's get
the 3's
canceled
get
out,
canceled out,
and then you're left with the 2hx plus h.
Okay, so you divide the h out of both of those terms,
And then it just becomes
the 2x plus
2.
3.
Oh, no. The 3 should be gone.
The 3 should be gone.
Hold on. Yeah. Can you see my message on the top? It should become like this.
Oh, yeah,
Not the-
yeah. Der.
And then
I
all
forgot
of
to clear
that
one
is
out. But yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So 2x plus h. Okay, that makes sense.
that makes sense.
next one is just
And
a
then
longer
version
version
of that.
Yay.
Yay.
But I think you guys get much. I don't know if that was clear.
So
So
for the second one, you
come
come out
out
with
with
2 times x plus
times
h
x plus
squared
x squared
minus 3
minus 3
times x plus
times x
h
plus
plus 4,
plus 4
and then minus
minus
2x
Yeah.
squared minus 3x plus 4.
plus 4.
Okay.
Okay.
So on the first
So on
one,
the first one,
or on the first
or on
little
the first little
piece there,
piece there,
where it's the 2
the
times
2
x plus
times
h
x plus
squared,
h
do you
squared
square it first, or do you
first, or
multiply
do you
the 2 n
multiply
first?
the 2 n first?
You'd square it first.
And then distribute.
And then distribute.
So for that first one, I haven't simplified any yet, but so I got 2x squared plus 4hx plus 2h squared minus 3x minus 3h plus 4.
That's what I have
That's
right
what I
now.
have right now.
Okay.
Now I'm figuring it out. Oh, we still take away
Still
that.
take away the FX on that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
So
what
then-
I was missing.
I was missing.
X h squared minus 3
minus 3h
over h.
over h.
H. Okay. Okay, I've simplified.
Sweet. And then you get
And then you get
4
4
minus 2h minus 3.
2h minus 3.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Great. All right. Last one. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Gotta find myself. There we go.
I hate domain.
Hate domain
ranges.
and ranges. Yeah.
Okay, so for the first part of the piecewise function, looks like that, right?
We
Let me find that out from here.
Because it's the function is x plus 2 when x is less than. Oops.
Less than negative.
negative.
Great, I missed it.
I should get graphic
Should
paper.
get graphic paper.
I just printed some off. I'll try again there. Okay, so negative 2. Okay, so it's gonna look like that instead. It's gonna have the little open dot on the negative 2, and then have the slope going that way.
So this
So
is
then-
pretty much
So this is pretty
the
much
fit.
just the fit.
Like when we
Like
numbers
when
for
we
X.
numbers for x,
Mhm.
and then if
Then
it's
to
less than 2,
do that thing.
that thing.
Yeah, and so, okay. And then you're gonna have kind of a parabola going on. Here, let's see. Okay, so here's the key.
-2.
kind of doesn't make sense.
Hmm.
I feel like, is that the same graph as this next one? Is
I
that
think-
is
I
the
think
graph that's on the
the one
key for the second one?
That graph is
That
confusing
graph
to
is
me.
confusing to me.
I think because it's right for the second part of question 3, the graph that is on the key, but I'm not quite sure
Yeah,
if
because
there's.
on
Yeah, because on
0S,
0S,
I'm definitely not on
definitely
2.
not on 2.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think
no.
it's
Yeah, I think
the
it's the
second function is done in a graph and then drawn in a graph.
Okay. So I guess then we're good on what we got.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
graph
the
is
graph
script
is script
and
and
talks about the
talks about
first
the first
function,
function,
but it shows
but
the
it
second
shows the
function.
function.
Okay. Yeah, and then the second function. Okay, so we do know how to graph those, right? We're good on that.
I'll go back
I'll
through
go
it.
back
but-
through
I think what was most helpful for me when drawing it out was to look at the boundaries and do like little dotted lines, and then just do the graphs and those little parts of the boundaries. And then, go back and erase the lines that I had drawn so that like I knew what I was graphing where, because it's like 3 separate functions or 2 separate functions or however many, but just in that little boundary.
Right.
Right.
So I don't know.
They do the
They do the
whole open dot, closed dot.
closed dot.
For if it's just
Or
less
if it's
than
just less than
2, or if it's
2, or if it's
less than or equal
less
to
than or equal to
equal to.
equal to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this interval
This
notation
interval
is
notation
the one that confuses me the most.
confuses me the most.
To read it.
I'll have to read it.
Okay. Is there anything else we needed to do?
I guess we need to
I
know
guess we
when
need to know when
meet again.
meet again.
For, do we do 2
Do we do
videos?
2
or-
videos or
It's just one a
Um,
week.
just one a week, right? Per week.
I don't know, because I feel like.
Because we have
Because we have
with
Here, hold on.
quiz.
I'll look. Okay, so
Oh, we do have to meet
Oh, we
again.
do have to meet again.
okay, yeah, we do. Okay. Does this time on Wednesday work for everybody?
I can
I can
do
do
I didn't hear what he
I didn't
just
hear what he just said.
I didn't either.
8 o'clock
I
on
can
Wednesday.
I can maybe.
Can you hear
Can
me?
you hear me?
Sort of.
Sort of.
Sorta.
8 o'clock?
Did we lose him? Does that work? Okay. All right. And who's going to be group? I think we have to switch. So who's going to be group leader next time?
Type in.
Okay. Sounds good.
That works.
Great. So I'll see you all on Wednesday.
All right. And you're gonna submit, right?
Yeah. Cool.
Just the link.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. All right. So see ya.